Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best large Legos is probably one of the most engaging and beneficial toys you can introduce to your toddler. These oversized building blocks are perfect for little hands, fostering creativity and fine motor skills. They offer endless possibilities for imaginative play, from building simple towers to creating elaborate structures. Join me as we explore the world of large Legos, designed specifically for toddlers aged 3 to 5, and discover why they're a must-have for any young child's toy collection. Number 5. Lego DUPLO Alphabet Truck 10915, Toddler Learning Toy. This is the Lego DUPLO Alphabet Truck. It's designed to help toddlers learn their ABCs. It's a fun and engaging way for them to start their learning journey. The set includes alphabet bricks that encourage creative building. Kids can stack the bricks onto the truck and enjoy imaginative play. It's all about fun. As they play, toddlers improve their fine motor skills. They'll become familiar with the letters and even learn to spell simple words. It's educational and entertaining. The set comes with 26 letter bricks, assorted bricks, and a truck. It's a complete package for early learning. This set will provide hours of fun. With its colorful bricks and cute characters, it's a great gift. This toy is suitable for children aged 18 months and up. Give the gift of learning and fun. The truck measures over 4 inches high and 2 inches long. It can combine with other Lego DUPLO sets. This expands the possibilities for creative play and learning. What we like. This set is perfect for introducing your toddler to the alphabet. It helps them learn letters while having fun. If you're looking for a toy that combines education and play, this is a great choice. It will help them learn to spell basic words. What people say. All individual components are sized large enough that they will not become a choking hazard. Lego's DUPLO blocks are colorful, fit well together and just the right size for small hands. Not only does this cute truck help your kiddo master the ABCs, but it also fosters hand-eye coordination. Number 4. Lego DUPLO Classic Deluxe Brick Box 10914. Introducing a world of creativity for your toddler. This set is packed with colorful bricks and fun pieces. It offers endless hands-on creative possibilities. Fuel your child's imagination with 85 colorful bricks. This versatile toy includes a window, car, and number bricks. Kids will never stop playing and learning with it. Designed with a modern style, it's easy for parents to share milestones. Work together to build, create, and imagine with this set. The colorful bricks are stored in a green box with a lid. Combine it with other DUPLO sets for even more fun and expanded play. This educational toy is perfect for toddlers aged 18+ months. The bricks are easy for small hands to pick up and place. It makes a great gift for any occasion. What we like. This set encourages creative development and learning through play. It comes with a variety of colorful bricks and pieces. If you have a toddler who loves to build and create, this set is ideal. It provides endless opportunities for imaginative play. What people say. The larger blocks are perfect for him to work with and use his creative skills. They are sturdy. Once connected to one another they stay put unless they are dropped. The pieces are just right for her little hands to manipulate and are not too easy or hard to put together and stay together. Number 3. COUOMOXA Marble Run Building Blocks. This set combines a marble run track with large, compatible blocks. It works with other classic blocks, offering endless building possibilities. It's great for hours of fun and learning. Designed for kids aged 2 to 8, this set grows with your child. It supports early cognitive development and helps improve hand-eye coordination. It's perfect for learning through play. This is ideal for home, school, or daycare. It encourages creativity and problem-solving. It is perfect for group play or parent-child sessions. Made from safe ABS material, it meets safety standards. The set includes easy instructions for building. Kids can build their own creations with a sense of accomplishment. This is the perfect STEM gift for any occasion. It lets kids explore physics while having fun. It's a great gift that combines education with entertainment. What we like. This set combines building blocks with a marble run track, offering a unique STEM learning experience. It's designed for kids aged 2 to 8, growing with your child. If you like a toy that encourages problem solving and creativity, this is a great choice. It provides hours of entertainment. What people say. They still play with it with their DUPLO blocks at ages 7 and 5. The blocks are large and brightly colored, just like the name brand ones you buy for small kids. I purchased this product to go with our existing DUPLO blocks and they are pretty much perfectly compatible. I couldn't tell the difference between DUPLO or these Briks. My son, 4 years, thoroughly enjoys building with the tracks and we hope to purchase an additional set when back in stock. Number 2. AOTIPOL Building Block Set for Kids. Introducing the AOTIPOL Building Block Set, a perfect gift for kids of all ages. This set is designed to spark creativity and provide endless fun for your children. Inside, you'll find 101 large classic building bricks, including square and rectangle bricks, and a base plate. These bricks are compatible with all major brands, ensuring versatility and endless building possibilities. The included green baseplate measures 10 inches, providing a stable surface for building and displaying creations. It expands kids' creative play and learning possibilities. These blocks are larger, making them easier for little hands to handle and connect firmly together. Every piece is designed to be safe, avoiding any choking hazards, and ensuring the creations last for years. The building toys come in 2 different sizes for optimum building fun. It's a great way to teach your toddler creativity, improve hand-eye coordination, and aid in mental development. Made from non-toxic ABS plastic with round edges, this set is safe and perfect for younger kids. It's an educational toy that makes a great gift for any occasion, suitable for both boys and girls. What we like. This set includes a base plate and large bricks, perfect for little hands. It helps improve hand-eye coordination and aid in mental development. If you are looking for a set that is easy for toddlers to assemble, this is a great choice. It is a wonderful gift for all ages. What people say. The blocks are the perfect size for little hands. They are easy to put together and take apart. The blocks are very durable. Number 1. Strictly Briks Big Blocks, compatible with major brands. These blocks fit perfectly with all major brands, including Lego. It allows your kids' creativity to take off with these sturdy and durable building blocks. Whether it's a city, a wall, or a playground, these blocks are ready for endless adventures. With these blocks, watch your toddler's imagination flourish. It helps boost hand-eye coordination and mental growth. Let them build towers, pyramids, or anything they dream up. Perfect for blending education and fun into a magical learning experience. Made from sturdy silicone, these blocks won't bend or break under pressure. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, it is perfect for showcasing your creative work. Enjoy a secure and visually stunning display with these top-notch building pieces. This product offers a collection of building sets that is unmatched. From classic bricks to unique designs, these sets promise endless joy and creativity. Dive into a world of fun with toys that will keep your kid engaged for years to come. This 108-piece building set comes with big bricks in red, yellow, green, and blue. It includes 72 blocks measuring 1.25 by 1.25 by 1 inch, 2 by 2 pegs, and 36 blocks measuring 2.5 by 1.25 by 1 inch, 2 by 4 pegs. Let your kids' building skills soar with these vibrant, versatile blocks. What we like. This set is compatible with major brands and comes in vibrant colors. The blocks are durable and made of high-quality materials. If you like a set that encourages creativity and is built to last, consider this one. It's perfect for building anything your child can imagine. What people say. These bricks really are fully compatible with the DUPLO bricks and baseplates. These are almost identical and work the exact same on all large Lego boards. Large set with plenty of pieces to expand a set you may already own. 100% compatible with Lego DUPLOs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.